Imagine a normal day. You are fixing your house, dust hammer, a wall, and suddenly the wall breaks, but behind it there is no room. There is a tunnel, dark, cold, deep. You take one step, then another, and then you realize you did not find a basement. You found a city. Not a small place, a real underground city for thousands of people. Sounds like a movie, right? But this really happened. And today, I will tell you about Derinkuyu, the hidden city that stayed underground for over 2,000 years. Derinkuyu was not special. From the outside, just a small town in central Turkey. People walked, worked, raised children, lived normal lives, nothing strange, nothing mysterious. Above ground, markets, houses, streets, mosques, fields. But under their feet, something else existed, something huge, something hidden, something old, very old. For generations, people lived on top of it, without knowing, without suspecting, that beneath their homes, beneath their streets, beneath their beds, there was a city built in darkness, a city designed to survive, a city meant to hide. And no one knew. Until one wall changed everything. One day, everything changed. Not because of archaeologists, not because of scientists, but because of a man doing renovations in his house. Imagine that. You are breaking a wall just to make more space, and suddenly you see darkness, a hole, a tunnel, cold air coming from inside. Would you walk in or would you run? He walked with a light, step by step. The tunnel kept going, then another, then stairs, then rooms, dozens of rooms, then hundreds, and then something no one expected, an entire city hidden under his home. Imagine discovering a city in your basement. Would you believe your eyes or think you are dreaming? That day, Derinkuyu was reborn after 2,000 years. The tunnel was just the beginning. Because Derinkuyu was not small, it was massive. This was not a shelter, this was a real city. Built deep underground, more than 18 levels, going down deeper and deeper. Some levels lower than a 10-story building. Imagine living that far below the surface. Thousands of people could live there, families, children, animals, entire communities. There were homes, schools, kitchens, storage rooms, churches, even stables for animals. Water wells, ventilation shafts, fresh air flowing from the surface. The city could survive for months, maybe years without going outside. No sun, no fresh food, no help, just life underground. Ask yourself, could you live there? For a week? For a month? For a year? Would you stay sane, in darkness, in silence, in stone? This was not a hideout, this was a hidden world. They did not just hide, they sealed the city. Every entrance, every tunnel, every passage could be closed, with giant stone doors, massive, heavy, round like millstones, each one weighing hundreds of kilograms, some over a ton. When danger came, they rolled the doors across the tunnels and the city disappeared. From the world, from outside, it looked like solid rock. No sound, no light, no movement. Enemies could walk right over their heads and never know. Thousands of people were hiding just meters below. The doors had small holes for spears, for air, for watching. If someone broke in, they could be stopped immediately. Imagine being inside, hearing footsteps above you, hearing voices, weapons, but knowing the stone door was the only thing between life and death. Would you stay silent? Would you breathe slowly, hoping they never find you? They did not build this city for comfort. They built it for survival. For centuries, this region was invaded again and again. Empires rose, empires fell, armies marched, villages burned, people were captured, sold, killed, forced to convert. Every few decades, new invaders came, Persians, Romans, Arab armies, Mongols, Crusaders, each one bringing war, fear, destruction. The surface was never safe, so the people went underground. Not for days, not for weeks, but for months, sometimes years. This city was their last chance, their final shelter, their only protection. Imagine building your entire life knowing one day you might have to disappear into darkness with your family, your children, your food, your animals, and wait until war passed. Would you leave everything above and hide below just to survive? They did not just hide there, they lived there. The city was designed to keep people alive. Fresh air was brought down through vertical shafts hidden in the rock. Water came from deep wells, protected from poison from enemies. Food was stored in cool stone rooms. Grain, meat, cheese, enough to survive for months. Even animals were kept underground to provide milk, meat, warmth. Light came from oil lamps, small, dim, but enough to see, to work, to pray. There were kitchens, schools, churches, storage rooms, sleeping areas. This was not a cave. It was a hidden city built for long life, not temporary escape. Thousands of people, breathing, eating, working, raising children, all beneath the earth. Can you imagine growing up never seeing the sun for months or years? For centuries, the underground city slept in silence, hidden, forgotten, while empires rose and fell. Above it, no one knew. Thousands of rooms, tunnels, lives were waiting below. Until one ordinary man broke a wall and changed history. In a second, what else is still hidden beneath our feet right now? Cities, civilizations, secrets lost to time. Would you live underground to survive? Could you raise your family in darkness for years? Tell me in the comments. And if you love real hidden history, subscribe, because the past is full of stories they never taught us. And if you want to see another city that disappeared in one day, watch the video on your screen about Pompeii. You won't believe what happened there.